Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your direct deposit authorization form on Gusto Payroll. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up direct deposit and you run your payroll through Gusto. How do you actually go ahead and find that direct deposit authorization form? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Gusto. Next, click on Documents on the left-hand side. And then over here, you're going to find this direct deposit authorization form. If you click on this form is going to allow you to pay your employee via direct deposit. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your direct deposit authorization form on Gusto Payroll. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next one.